Welcome to Static Edits and Media. I'm going to show you two ways how to clear cache. So let's begin. Start off by heading to the settings icon. By hovering over the settings icon, you will then scroll down to select application. Now scroll down and select manage installed applications. Now scroll down to the first application and hit the select or the enter button. Then scroll down to clear cache and select clear cache. Once you have cleared cache, you will see to the right of the screen, cache will revert back to 0. Now follow along until the second step is demonstrated. The second option to clear cache, hover over the next application and select the rewind button. Then select confirm. That concludes the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.